It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Let's start with design and features. All these features, all the needs and roles. Metric system shows the holes and walls and dimensions below. And then the sketches drawn and known, cause in the LCD so many ports, which goes to the MCUs, SPI zones. There's master and states up FBI watch. They won't help me code the board. Upload the code on TTL though. This tool is called USB to TTL converter. Config is on. And how do we input to device orders? So many borders, dangerous zone. Snow and code then crashes and falls. There are the buttons, feel push and call. And it's breaking walls and borders. 3D model is design infusion. Careful occlusion, water intrusion. There shouldn't be much space up fusion. Screen camera, na 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 na. All shell visible panorama like armor in night, which passes like we'll see just through. Lens to the eye, then solder, making it real impact. Keeping in one place, dance to the jazz and shaking the ass and burning the hand. This iron is so hot, damn I'm brand. Oh, made a mistake, soldered ESP directly baked. Now it's just broken, melted wires. It goes to trash, I'll get it scam. Just as a fun fact, no infrared. Destroy the filter, much usabler. Check the upcoming projects for the use. Like and subscribe and follow this singer. Now, back to the work. Made the new board, it's nicely working. ESP on it, sitting and working. All the connections done, just watch this, yo.